Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 16 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now, without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2537. Count the number of good subarrays. Let's read the problem statement first. We have given an integer array nums and an integer k. We have to return the number of good subarrays of nums. A subarray is good if there are at least k pairs of indices ij such that I should be less than j and array of I it should be equal to array of j. And what is subarray? A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. Okay, so let's understand this problem statement with an example. Okay, so here see, this is a nums array given to us, right? And k value is 10. All right, so first of all, before starting, if we have this array, so how many different pairs we can form? Just one, right? Okay, just one. All right, so if we have nums array with 3 elements, okay, same elements, then how many we can form? We can form this, okay, continuous we need to find, right? This, or we can form this two, okay, or we can form this. All right, so here just say that this is I, this is j for this one, this is I for this is j for this. Okay, this is I for this is j for this. So this condition is satisfied now. I should be less than j, right? And your nums of I, okay, the nums of I, it should be equal to the nums of j. Okay, so these conditions are satisfied, right? Okay, in all these subarrays, right? Okay, so how many? 3, right? Okay, and if we have 4 ones, okay, if we have 4 ones, then how many you can form? You can form one this I starting from here, j here, right? One this, 2, 3, 4, okay, and this is 5 and 6 you can form, right? These are the 6 subarrays you can form. Okay, so I and j. Okay, so here treat this as I, j. Okay, same. All right, so with 4 you can form 6, right? 6 pairs, right? And same way, if your nums array is having 5 ones, right? So how many you can form? Then you can form 10, right? 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then this 6, this 7, all right, and then this 8, 9, and then this complete 10. Okay, then you can form 10, right? So from here we see that how this count is coming, right? So here 1, here it is coming 3, here it is coming 6, and here it is coming 10. Okay, so now here first of all, let's pick this same example. Okay, nums is 5 ones and k is equal to 10. Okay, so 5 ones are there, 1 2 3 4 5, and k value is 10. Okay, k value is 10. Okay, all right, so here what you need to do, first of all, create few variables like n for the nums dot length. So here in this case nums dot length is 5. All right, and take a variable same. Okay, and here in this same just assign value 0 and take one variable right. Okay, and in this right assign value equal to -1. All right, and we have to use one hash map. Okay, and we'll create one variable answer. In this we will store the result. Okay, whatever the result that we are going to get. All right, so now here fix your left pointer here. Okay, I'm going to loop, okay, through all these elements using this left pointer. Okay, so take your left pointer here, right? And then after that, first of all, inside this for loop, okay, where I'm going to run this left loop, inside this we are going to use one while loop. Inside this while loop I will check few conditions. Okay, so here same, okay, this is same, it should be less than k. So here this is k value. Okay, so right now same value is less than k. Okay, and my right plus 1, it should be less than n. Okay, so here inside this first of all, if you have just single element, okay, just understand it like this. If you have just single element right now, so you can't form anything, any pair, right? You can't form any pair, so same value you can keep it as 0, right? And then after that we have to just increment that. Now we have just one element, so I will just increment the frequency of this 1 to 1. All right, now after that move your right pointer to the next index. Okay, so now after that what we need to do, okay, this is done. Now your right pointer is going to reach here. Okay, and once your right point reaches here, so here you see that you can form this one pair. Okay, so what you are going to do, in same you are going to add the previous value of same, which is nothing but 0, and in this you are going to add this frequency of 1. So what was the frequency of 1 last time? 1. So your same value is 1, and now you have to increment the frequency of 1 to 2. Okay, this is done. All right, so using this you are just getting one pair. Okay, this is just one subarray, right? Now after that your R is going to move forward, your R is going to reach here. Okay, at this position. So now again, when your R reaches here, first you have to calculate same. So same value, uh, previous time same value was 1. Now in this same you have to add the previous frequency of this 1. So it is nothing but 2. So 1 plus 2 you are getting same as 3. Okay, and then you have to increment the frequency of 1 to 3. Okay, so right now with these 3 ones you are able to form 3, right? 3 valid subarrays, right? Okay, and then after that your R is going to move further, your R is going to reach here. Okay, now again your same this time is going to be operated as when you're when you are at this position. Okay, same is going to be operated as previous time same is 3. Now last time the in here one's frequency is 3. Okay, so 3 plus 3 6, and now 1 will be incremented to 4. Okay, so this is done, right? Now after that your R is going to move here. Okay, and here your same is going to be updated as previous time same value was 6. Okay, and here last time one frequency is 4, so it is going to update as 10. Okay, and now one frequency will be incremented to 5. Okay, so here if you see in all this stuff that we are doing, we are getting right answer, right? With these 3 we are getting 3, with these 4, okay, I was getting 6. So here I have already shown you, right? With 4 we are getting 6, with 5 we are getting 10, and here we are getting 10 only. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now as soon as this value of same, okay, so we are doing this R operation. Okay, we are moving this R. So inside this, inside one while loop. Okay, so what was my while loop? My while loop is like this. Okay, while same value is less than k. Okay, same value is less than k, and the right plus 1. Okay, right plus 1, it should be less than n. Okay, so inside this I was doing this stuff. Okay, this same calculation and the frequency of 1 calculation. Okay, all this stuff. Okay, so now here if you see, now my same value is 10 and k value is 10, so we have to come out of this while loop. Okay, we have to come out of this while loop. So that simply means that this is one valid subarray. Okay, this is one valid subarray in which we have 10 pairs. Okay, in which we have 10 pairs, because at least 10 pairs is required, right? So the only good subarray is the array nums itself. Okay, this complete subarray, right? So a subarray is good if there are at least k pair of indices I and j such that I is less than j. So here we have 10 pair of indices like that. Okay, and I have already shown you what are those pairs. Okay, so here see ij. Okay, this is one pair, this is one pair. Okay, this is one pair, this is one, this is one, same way here ij. Okay, so we have calculated here what we have calculated the good pairs. Okay, the pair of indices. Okay, and it should be at least 10 now. So that is what we have calculated here. Okay, all right, so now here this is done. Okay, we have calculated this. Okay, now let's suppose 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, this is given to us, right? Okay, now here this is done. Okay, this is done, right? Now here if you okay, before moving further, first let's complete this example one. Okay, so after that I will show you this example. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, now we come out of this while loop. So now here I will check. After that one if condition I will use, and inside this I will check if my same value is greater than equal to k. Yes, it is, right? So here I am going to update my answer value as answer plus n minus right. Okay, so here why I'm writing answer plus n minus right. So answer value is 0 and n value is 5, and my the right value, okay, my right value is 0 only, 5 only, right? Right was here at this position, right? Last time right was here. Okay, so 5 minus 5, so here I will get 0 only, right? Okay, so I was adding this r. Okay, I was incrementing r, right? Every time incrementing r, then I'm writing same and then 5. Okay, then next time my this loop will not execute. Okay, so I will not be able to increment the r. Okay, so that's why my r is at this index only. Okay, so here no, here our right is at 4 now. We are writing indexing now. So 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so right is at 4. Okay, so 5 minus 4 it should be there. Okay, so we are getting nothing but 1, right? So this is valid. Okay, my answer is 1. right? This is one valid. Okay, so here this is done. Okay, one is valid, right? Now after that, until here it's done. Okay, so now after that, what you need to do, you have to move your left to the next. Okay, this is one valid window. Okay, now you have to check for other windows, right? But here, before moving further, okay, so here what is the use of this formula actually, n minus height, why we are doing? Okay, so let me show you. Let's take this. Okay, let's suppose we have values like this, 1 1, and here something like that. Okay, this, all right. So now here, you know that with this we are forming we with these five nums, okay, five funds, we can form the k good pair of indices, right? Right, so if with this result is possible, then definitely with this also this same thing is possible, with this also this same thing is possible, right? Right, so here in the problem statement it was given at least k. Okay, at least k pair of indices. So we don't have problem with if we are good with 10, then we don't have problem if we can form 12 or 15 or 30, okay, or 100, then we don't have problem. If we are able to form this 10 starting from here, okay, then I can increment. Okay, I can form until here also, I can form this subarray as well. Okay, I have this valid subarray as well. Okay, I don't have any problem, right? So this is my bag. Okay, so in this bag I need 10 candies, right? So at least 10 candies, so I have at least 10 candies. Okay, now I don't have any problem if I get more extra candies. Okay, I don't have that problem, right? Because at least 10 should be there, right? So okay, so now, okay, so now this is done. Okay, so now how many different we can form then? Okay, so how many different subarrays we can get? Okay, so here 1 1 1 1 until here this is just a 1. Okay, so now there are a few extra ones here. Okay, so now how you are going to check how many valid subarrays you can form? So this is one subarray starting from this 0 only, starting from this 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is one valid subarray, right? So this is valid, so this is also valid subarray, this is also valid subarray, and this is also valid subarray. So here total n value is 8. Okay, minus the right is at 4. Okay, so here how many we are forming? 4. Okay, so that is right now. See this green color ones. Okay, 1 2 and 3, and see this 4, right? That's it. So we are getting 4. Okay, so this is important concept, that's why we are writing. Okay, now this is done. Okay, now once this is done, okay, so where we are we? So my r was here, my left was here. Okay, and this is one valid subarray. Okay, now this is starting from 0, so now I have to check now if I can start from here also. I have to check this one as well, right? This all are starting from this 0, but I have to check other thing as well, right? If we can start from here. Okay, so what I am going to do in that case, all right, so in that case I am going to uh, remove this. Okay, so if I'm removing this, so we have left with the 4 ones only. Okay, we are left with the 4 ones only. So if we are left with the 4 ones only, so you are going to say that previous time your same was 6 10, so now it should be remain as 6. Okay, it should be 6 only. Okay, it should be 6 only. You are going to say that your same will be 6 only if you are having just 4 ones. Okay, you are removing this, so how we are going to get the same? So it's very easy. Okay, so you are going to remove this one. Okay, so you have to reduce the frequency. First of all, you have to reduce the frequency, so you have one frequency will be reduced to 4. Okay, now you are going to update your same as same value, previous same value, minus here count dot get. Okay, count dot get the this value. Okay, so this 4 you have to subtract. Okay, same minus this value. Okay, so first we are going to subtract that one, and then from same I will just reduce that. So I will get 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So this is my new value of same. Okay, now after that, okay, now after that my L is here. Okay, my L is here. So now I have to check from here to here. Okay, so here if you see my r is already here. Okay, after that we can't move my r forward. Okay, so right plus 1, it should be less than n, right? So here I can't move the right to the next position. Okay, so my same is going to remain 6. Okay, same is not crossing this 10 now. Okay, then that simply means that there is no valid answer. Okay, after that, so we have to stop here. Okay, so you after that you can move your left here also. You are not going to get same value greater than k anywhere. Okay, so left here, so you are not going to get that. Okay, so in the end you have to just return the answer, that is nothing but 1 in this case. Okay, now let's understand this with this example also. Okay, this example also, right? So here let me just copy this nums array. Okay, so let me paste it here. Okay, if you want, you guys can pause this video or skip this. Okay, this example if you are already clear. Okay, what you need to do. Okay, so here let me just go over this. I will not take much time here, right? So here First of all you reach here. Okay, your r reach here, your left is here. Okay, your r is here. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to calculate here same value. Okay, so right now with this just 3, you are not going to update the same. Okay, and you have to increment the frequency of 3 to 1. Okay, next time your r is going to move forward. Okay, r is going to move here. Okay, then your same value, it is going to become still 0 na? It is going to still remain 0 only because 1 is not there. Okay, so now 1 frequency will be 1. Okay, and 3 frequency will be 1. Okay, 3 frequency is already there, right? Now next time your 4 is going to move here. Okay, here same value again will remain 0 only, and this frequency of 4 will become 1, and 1 is already 1, and 3 is already 1. Okay, that is done. Now next time your this pointer r is going to move here, so same value is going to remain, same value is going to become 1. Why? Previous value of same is 0. Now previous frequency of this 3. Okay, right now my right is here now, so previous frequency of 3 is 1, so I will add that, so it is going to become 1. Okay, so that simply means that until here there is one valid pair. Okay, so that is clear now, this and this is one valid pair. Okay, now here just update the frequencies. Okay, 4 is 1, 1 is still 1, 3 is going to become 2. Now next time my r is going to move here. Okay, so now my r is going to move here, same is going to remain 1 only because 2 was not earlier, right? So 1 is going to become 1, 3 is going to become 2, and 2 is going to become 1. Okay, this is done. Now after that my r is going to move here. Okay, so see my k value is 2 right now. Okay, my same still didn't reach this k. Okay, now after that my r is moving here, so now same value is going to update, same is to 1 previous time, and now previous time 2 frequency is 1, so I will add that, so it is going to become 2. Okay, now here just write the frequency. 4 is 1, 1 is 1, 3 is 2, and 2 is going to become 2. Okay, now after that my r is still here. Okay, I'm not going to move my r forward. Reason is that because my while loop will stop, because in my while loop the k condition was that same should be less than k. Okay, same should be less than k. Okay, so now we have to stop here. So until here, if you see, this is one valid pair. Okay, this is one valid subarray. 3 1 4 3 2 2. This is one valid subarray because here we have two pairs. Okay, I and j, such that I is less than j and nums of I is equal to nums of j. Okay, so we have two. Okay, so at least two. Okay, so until here this is one valid, so this is also valid. If I add 4, then this is also valid. Okay, because in this also we have two, we have 3 here. Okay, but we are fine, we need at least 2 only, we need at least 2 only, but here we have 3, now adding 4, so we are good, no issues. So starting from this 3, this until here it is valid, and until here is valid. Okay, so I'm going to update my answer. Answer is same is greater than equal to k. Answer is equal to answer previous value 0 plus n minus right. So n is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 minus this r is at 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here first one second, n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and my this 2 r is at 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here my r is at 5, so n minus 7, n minus r is 2. Okay, so 2 is valid, right? 2 is output, right? So this is valid, right? So these are the two. Okay, so here by base time, so I am talking about these two. Okay, so see here, that has 2 pairs, that has 3 pairs. Okay, done. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now I hope that you guys are clear. Right now, after that, starting from 3, we know that we have two valid answer. Now we have to update my l. Okay, we have to move my l. So here if I'm moving this l to this position, okay, so then we have to reduce the frequency of 3. So 3 frequency is going to become, here I will update it as 1. Okay, 3 frequencies I'm going to update it as 1. So now here if I remove this 3, okay, here, so until here we have only one, right? We have only one same value, right? Only one pair of indices. So how I'm going to update? So same now, same is equal to same value minus count dot get. Okay, so from this count hash map, get the value of this nums of that. So 3 values 1. Okay, so same was 2 minus 1, so I will get 1 only, right? So now here see same is 1. Okay, now after that again you have to move your r to next position. Okay, then your same is going to become previous value of same was here we have to update the same value, right? Same is going to become 1. Okay, now here we have updated it because we are reducing the 3. Okay, we are removing this 3. Okay, now here in this step, same previous value 1, and previous frequency of 4 is 1, so it is going to become 2 again. Okay, then after that here just write 4 frequencies 2, 1 frequency is 1, 3 frequencies just 1, and 2 frequencies 2. Okay, because we are starting from here, right, until here. Okay, now here if you see now here in this case again you have to update the answer. So previous value of answer was 2, Okay, answer was 2. And now this time n minus k, so n minus r, so 7 and r is 6, so 1, 7 minus 6 1, so you have total 3. Okay, so I have added one more in the answer, that is starting from this one. Okay, I have added this. Okay, now next time what you need to do, okay, next time this L you are going to say that I don't want your L will increment in now. Okay, so next time your L is going to start from here, so your L is starting from here, so that simply means that you are removing 1. Okay, so if you are removing 1, so here this one is count is going to become 0. Okay, so here I'm just simply removing it. Okay, 1 count from it is going to become 0 now. Okay, so done. So now same is going to update, so same previous value is 2 minus the frequency of 1. Okay, one frequency is 0. Okay, it's not there, so there is will be no impact on same. Okay, so since there is no impact on same, right, so starting from here again, since same is greater than equal to k, again calculate. Okay, again calculate, so answer you have to update again. So previous value of answer is 3, and again 7 size minus r until k. Okay, so you are going to say 3 plus 1 is 4. That's it. Okay, so here starting from here you have one more valid pair. Okay, so here if you see 4 3 2 2 4, that has 2 pairs. Okay, this 2 2 and 4 4, so your output is 4. Okay, well, okay, same way you have to move your L again and again. Okay, so here you have to move L next time this one. Okay, so 4 frequency will be reduced, same will become 1. Okay, that is not valid answer. You are moving L again, you are moving L again, you are moving L again. Okay, so you will not get the any other answer. Okay, so that's it. So this is what we need to do. Okay, so now let's move to the coding part. Code is going to be very small. Okay, so here int n is equal to nums dot length. All right, and take same value equal to 0 and right value equal to -1. Okay, initially, then you have to use the hash map. Okay, hash map, and here you have to use integer integer. Okay, and here count new hash map. Okay, long answer is equal to 0, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with this sliding window technique that we are using, right? So int left is equal to 0. Left is whatever I explained, same I'm going to use same variables also. Okay, left plus plus, and here you have to run one while loop, and here same is less than k. Okay, same value is less than k, and the right plus 1. Okay, right is starting from -1, so right plus 1, because inside this you are incrementing the right. Okay, it should be less than n, right? And here right plus plus, and same value is equal to same plus count. Okay, dot get or default. Okay, so just check whether this particular number is there. Okay, this key is there in my hash map. If it's not there, then we are going to take the count as 0. Okay, that is why get or default. And here after this we are just going to update the count. Okay, count dot put nums of right. Okay, so nums of right is nothing but my key. Okay, so I will check whether this key is already there in my map or not. Okay, count dot get or default. Okay, so if it is there, then just take that particular value of that particular key. Okay, otherwise just take 0 and add 1 to it. Okay, that's a simple meaning of this line. All right, so map count dot put nums dot right, and here count dot get or default nums of right comma 0 plus 1. That's it. Okay, and here if same value, okay, if same value is greater than equal to k, then in that case you have to just update your answer as uh, answer answer plus n minus right. This is done. Okay, and then here after that you have to shrink the window after this. Okay, so here count dot put nums of left. Okay, nums of left, and here count dot get nums of left. Okay, nums of left. Okay, you are going to get the existing value, okay, of this one, nums dot left. Okay, and from that you have to just subtract -1. That's it. Okay, and then you have to update the same. Okay, so same also you know how to update. Okay, same is equal to same minus, and here count dot get nums of left. Okay, count dot get nums of left. This is done. Okay, and in the end you have to just return the answer. Okay, ans answer, right, right here. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, so now all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.